By my count right now, folks, there's about 9 tweets and or replies to tweets that have come out from Tesla founder and CEO Elon Musk with regard to what's happening with this initial one. So let's take you through a quick Cliff's Notes version, if you will, of the timeline. First of all, at around 12:48 p.m. Eastern time, the first tweet that set this whole thing in motion came out. Am considering taking Tesla private at $420. Funding secured, which set off a storm of speculation about what he really meant and whether this was a real tweet or not. A couple of ones later here at 1:40 p.m. in response to a tweet from another Twitter user out there saying, I don't have a controlling vote now and I won't expect any shareholder to have one if we go private. I won't be selling in either scenario, in response to whether or not there would be a change of control, whether or not he would give it up. Another response at 2 p.m. Eastern time, in response to a question about whether or not current investors could stay with Tesla as a private investor. My hope is that all current investors, says Musk, remain with Tesla even if we're private. Would create special purpose fund enabling anyone to stay with Tesla. We already do this with Fidelity's SpaceX investment. Then, in another response at 2:07 p.m. Eastern time, absolutely, I'm super appreciative of Tesla shareholders, will ensure their prosperity in any scenario, in response to a question about whether or not retail investors could benefit from the longer-term prospects for Tesla in a private situation. I will then note at 2:08 p.m. Eastern time, trading was halted by Tesla per their request for news pending. Then at 2:13 p.m., he responds again to another tweet saying shareholders could either sell at $420 or hold shares and go private. Seemingly, this progression, as Tyler had mentioned before, indicates that Elon Musk is perhaps serious about this whole situation about a take-private transaction. There's been no outright clarity or statement that he would go ahead and do it. We're waiting for that in the press release or announcement that comes from Tesla. But that string of 9 tweets seems to indicate in some sort of deliberate fashion that perhaps Elon Musk, from his verified account, is being serious about this. It remains to be seen what, guys, they say in the actual news pending announcement. Again, 2:08 p.m. Eastern time, the last time, folks, those guys traded shares in Tesla stock.